guys, it's Mini from Bonito Designs. Today we are at Mr. Sriharsha and Manaswini's 3 BHK apartment, which is in Nagarjuna Meadows. Let's check out the house. Now we are in the foyer area. The wall here is being lined with white and copper finished stone cladding, and it's been lit from above with spotlight, and it strongly demands its share of attention. Well complementary are the shoe rack, which comes with a grey and white oak finish laminate. As we enter the living area, we have a corner solution wherein there are 3 ledges, and below that there is a pebble tray which is in square shape, and they have kept black and white color pearls and pebbles in that, which looks very beautiful. And this wall has been decorated with wall paint which is in blue in color, and you can see a very interesting texture on it. The false ceiling is of L shape, which starts from the living area and it ends in the dining area, and there's a beautiful chandelier and a drop light in that, and in between these two there are spotlights to make the entire living area very welcoming. Now we are in the dining area. We have brought the same wall concept from the foyer area to the crockery unit here, and you see 2 top lifts here with the frosted glass, and these are 2 cabinets. You can open it this side, and to highlight the entire unit we have given rafter with spotlights. On the other side we have a puja unit, and on the shutter we have hung bells on one side, and other side we have a designer glass, and on top we have a designer glass with a Ganesha on it. When you open this, you see ledges, and there is a drawer to keep the puja items. And there's a beautiful light which highlights all the idols inside. Now we are in the kids' bedroom, and this kids' bedroom has been designed keeping in mind 2 growing up kids, that is Advik and Advay. And right now I'm sitting on a seat level storage cabinet, and on my either side you can see ledges. These are for study, and you see a spotlight just coming from the top cabinet of both the overhead cabinets. And on the overhead cabinet you have a closed cabinet and an open niche, and on the closed cabinet you see a very cute little knob which is very easy to access. And on the other side we have a wardrobe with white color glossy laminate, which has been highlighted by 3 lines running parallel in bold orange. The orange runs in tune with the tune of the space. It's very colorful and bright. Now we are in the kitchen, and we have used white color glossy laminate on top to give that sense of more space, and at the bottom we have used darker color laminate so that that can be maintained easily. And on either side of the chimney you have top lift cabinets. This one is of frosted glass, and the chimney itself has a very interesting color. It is blue in color, that's very bright. Overall this kitchen is very neat and functional. Now we are entering the master bedroom. The master bedroom is really plush and wooden. The overall wooden look makes it very warm. And on the other side we have a glossy finish wardrobe, comes in a dark brown walnut shade, which syncs seamlessly with the emotion of the room. Now we are entering the parents' bedroom. We have 4 glass ledges to display the artifacts, and here we have a king size cot which the client already had, so we have created a wardrobe which is matching exactly to the laminates of the coat. So in the handles we again used white color to match the wardrobe color, and on top we have given end-to-end loft for extra storage. On the other side, we have beautiful dresser with ledges to display the cosmetics, and there are 2 drawers to store your cosmetics. Overall, the entire room is a combination of blue and beige color. So guys, now it's time to hear from the wonderful people who owns this place. This is our client Mr. Sriharsha and his wife Manaswini, and this is their elder son Advik. So over to Mr. Sriharsha. So how did you get to know about Bonito?
We got to know about Bonito through YouTube videos. Initially we wanted to have a dream house, so we had explored multiple options, but finally we zeroed in on what we saw on YouTube. So we saw that Bonito had one of the best designed houses, so we decided we will opt for it.
Okay, so how was your whole journey from the design phase to now?
Journey has been wonderful. I would say the dream house is evident right in front of you. Initially we were apprehensive about whom to select and how do we go about, but I would say the experience with Bonito really wonderful. Right from the stage in which we were introduced till the material selection stage, the design stage, visualization, the conceptualization, and the final execution and implementation. Hats off. We could really see the end product, how it has come out, and we are extremely happy.
Glad to know that.
This house.
Okay. So ma'am, which is your favorite part in this house?
Actually, it's kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay. So like how would you rate us on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest?
I would rate 9 out of 10 because I always believe that nobody is perfect.
Yeah, true.
So probably 1 I would give that for being the perfection. But otherwise 9 out of 10 is my.
So how was your experience with our project managers?
Wonderful. Okay. Would like to personally thank 2 people from the Bonito team. One is Mr. Yogesh, who was very instrumental in giving us this beautiful design for this house, and second was Mr. Raghu, again who was exceptional, being a project manager and being a helping hand in getting things done in the way in which we wanted to. So special thanks to these 2 people.
Is there anything you want to pass on to our prospective customers?
Just go for Bonito, close your eyes, your dream house will be ready.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time with a brand new project. Until then, keep watching our videos. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and do share your favorite videos with your loved ones. Bye-bye.
Do you have any questions to ask us? Or do you have any ideas to suggest? Or any queries? All that you need to do is just ask us. So use #AskBonito. Your queries will be addressed through replying comments or your panel discussions or upcoming site videos. So you know what to do. Just ask us.